Welcome to the Veterinary Faculty of Bern. This is called the Vetsuisse'S faculty, which depends from the University of Bern. The Veterinary Faculty of Zurich also belongs to the Vetsuisse's faculty coordinating the management of the two veterinary schools of Switzerland. Each veterinary faculty is homed in their respective university, but there is a wish for a common strategy regarding staff promotion, education, and research. Our faculty is supervised by the Dean's Office, which includes the Office for Student Affairs, and helped by an IT team and a team for technical general services over the campus. The scientific activities of the faculty are performed by our three departments. DKV stands for the Department of Clinical Veterinary Sciences, including the teaching hospital with 8 main institutes. DIP stands for the Department of Infectious Diseases and Pathobiology, including most diagnostic services with 5 main institutes. DCRVPH stands for the Department of Clinical Research and Veterinary Public Health with 7 institutes. While most of these institutes are concentrated at the end of the Langstrasse in Bern, there are also some other sites like Avanches, Mittelhausen, Pozius, Liebfeld, or Zollikofen. You can find specific information for each institute on the faculty website. The academic staff represented by graduated scientists mostly from veterinary and biology background represents the core of the faculty activities. There are approximately 25 professors at extraordinary or ordinary level leading the scientific collaborators in their respective institutes. The intermediate staff of the faculty represents all these scientists collaborators, which are not professors. In German we are called Mittelbau, which counts approximately 350 persons at Vetsuisse's Bern. The high intermediate staff are assistant and associate professors. Other possible permanent positions at the faculty are at the intermediate staff, with lecturers and scientific collaborators. However, the majority of the intermediate staff are on a rotation position, which are generally limited to 1 to 6 years following specific qualifying programs. The faculty is managed by committees with dedicated topics coordinated by the Dean's Office. The main executive board of the faculty, called Collegium, is composed by half of the professors and by half of the high intermediate staff. Additionally, 3 representatives of the intermediate staff are also present and entitled to vote. A small strategic board, called Ausschuss, composed of the main committee leaders and the department leaders, provides continuous strategic consultation on ongoing topics. 3 members are from the high intermediate staff, and 1 member is a representative of the intermediate staff. As you can see, participation of the intermediate staff in the commissions is represented here in red and green together with the percentage of the members belonging to the intermediate staff. There are 3 permanent faculty committees: the Education Committee, the Research Committee, and the Promotion Committee, which work on specific strategical topics for the faculty. These committees also link with the Faculty of Zurich. Main decisions which are common to both Vetsuisse's faculties are voted at the Vetsuisse's Assembly. Decisions with implications at the level of the university must be validated by the Vetsuisse's Council. Management of local decisions is performed by several small dedicated committees. The intermediate staff is represented in each of these committees. These positions regularly want new candidate. We invite each of you to join and participate. Coordination for all these representatives, as well as collection of opinion over the whole intermediate staff, is performed by the board of the intermediate staff with 6 members, 2 per department. All this information can be found on our website, for the intermediate staff of the Vetsuisse'S faculty of Bern. In order to spread information, each institute has its own institute representative regularly forwarding emails within its institute. Finally, last but not least, the board of the intermediate staff also helps to link with the association of the intermediate staff of the whole university. The MVUB, which also provides a range of important services to our staff including human resources support, coaching or ombudsperson. The intermediate staff is expected to develop performance and academic skills during their time at the faculty in order to be adequately trained and competitive for your further career. This figure intends to depict the most common academic tracks which can be followed. Of course, many different possibilities are available. We believe it is important for the intermediate staff to know which career path corresponds to your personal expectation and to understand which specific goals needs to be fulfilled during the next coming years to allow for performance development. Such goals can be discussed and set together with your supervisor at the beginning of your employment and later continuously evaluated. Do not hesitate to ask for information and support within the intermediate staff. During such discussions on career objectives, the amount of protected time for research activities and the goals to be reached during this time are generally of particular importance. Properly understanding and defining these aspects of your time at the faculty are important to guarantee your career development. The faculty and the university have official documents where various positions of the intermediate staff are briefly described, including some guidelines regarding objectives and structure. These documents can be found, for example, on the websites of the faculty and of the intermediate staff. These documents can also help you to define which salary class your position belongs to compared to the list of functions at cantonal level. For any information, do not hesitate to take contact with the representative of your institute or directly to the board of the intermediate staff. See you soon.